list just doesn't make the cut when it comes to achieving your goals.
So rather than keep those lists in our back pocket, we're bringing them to life with the ultimate vision board guide from blogger Eva Wilson of SocaMom.com. Hi, Eva. Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.
So explain to us exactly what a vision board is. I think we've all heard about it, but exactly how do we bring it to life and how do we make it mean something that we're actually going to look at, see, and do?
Well, your vision board is really what you want to do and be, and sometimes just how you want to feel in the new year. You can do it several times a year. You can update it as things happen from your vision board. You can put travel on there, exercise goals, all kinds.
Okay.
And you get ideas from like magazines?
From magazines. Some people are very visual.
This is a good one for me.
Some people are very visual and they'll use pictures.
Okay.
I'm a person who uses lots of words.
Okay.
So to get you guys started, I cut out some words. You can, you know, find what's exciting to you in the magazines.
Okay.
Girl, you were too kind. Where's that? Rebel right now. Rebel. That is me.
Yes.
Okay.
So when you're throwing a vision board party, so I do it with my family, and we have snacks. We have, just in case you can't find what you need in the magazines.
Right.
We are kind of lucky right now to be living right now that you can take pictures off of social media. You can get pictures from Google. You can print them out while you're having your party.
Okay.
So, and also when you're done,
Yeah.
you can put a nice border on it. I'm sorry if your team is not here, but you can put a border on it.
I was going to say, we're the Redskins.
I know.
Come on, you're in D.C.
On the couch
Eva.
beside the Cowboys. Vision board for 2018.
Oh no.
Okay, so we're taking these out.
Okay, so I put a couple of these on.
You know,
okay.
a lot of this stuff you have already in your home, and I
You
love that
do.
idea of bringing the family together. And so
Right.
each person kind of talking about their goals for the year. Look at that. This is what I want to be doing.
Yeah,
this year.
vacationing and just having some fun.
Poolside.
So you can make sure you have snacks and things like that to make sure that people, you know.
And
you
is
don't
it
get any
good-
hangry people.
Exactly.
And is it good to do it together because it's also a sense of accountability? Like,
Well,
hey, remember this is what you put on your vision
Yes.
board that you wanted to blah, 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 blah.
Yes, and afterwards you can talk about your vision boards. Before, my family and I, we talk about what our goals are. So that
Okay.
we can, like you said, remind each other. And sometimes you'll be looking through the magazines and find something that someone else was talking about.
Oh, wow.
One of the neat things, so you see the brads there, you can make yours kind of interactive if you wanted to. If you want to have an arrow that pointed to certain things, you can move it around as you get through your vision board.
Right.
There's glitter glue because anybody who has been in any sort of school setting, you know that glitter is a terrible, terrible thing. While it is beautiful, super messy.
Oh, okay.
Glitter queen over here, and in my opinion, there is no such thing as bad glitter.
Yeah.
But everyone's different, so everyone's vision board would be different. And anyone who knows
just
me knows
kinda-
that there's going to be
Just
glitter,
you have to take it off?
glitter.
Yeah, I kind of, because I have
Okay,
little,
so look,
I
you
have
just
little
did
people,
it.
and it's
There you go.
Yep,
Okay, there you go. Perfect.
So, Eva, I want to
Yes.
ask you, what are some of your goals for the new year?
Well, I have some health goals, things
Yeah?
like that,
That's
some fitness
perfect.
goals. I think
Yeah.
everybody's going to be in the gym in the next, I don't know, 2 months. Y'all are going to have a very hard time finding a treadmill. 'Cause
Right.
everybody's going to the gym, but I'm kind of trying to want to keep it up, so it'll definitely be on
So
my vision
what would
board.
you, I don't know if you heard about this or not, we were talking about it earlier with Kid O'Shea, the nude workouts that were coming. So if you wanted to do a nude workout, what picture would you put on your vision board for that?
It definitely would not be one that I found on Google or anything like that. And it wouldn't be
Maybe
one
it's
found
you-
in my social media.
Maybe
so.
it's you in your bikini at the beach with your family vacation.
From years and years ago.
Oh,
That
okay.
that one. My dad did tell me, find that picture of us at the beach from when you were like, 16, something like that. Put that up on your vision board. That will motivate. I'm like, Dad, I won't look like I'm 16 and you won't look like you're 50.
There you
ever.
go.
It's over. It's over.
Well, all right, Eva.
Yeah, these are fantastic. So check out your website.
SocaMom?
SocaMom.com.
Yes, perfect.
And before I forget, you can do painting, and there's great scissors like the ones that you
Oh,
have
I know. I
that
love
have
these ones. The fun edges.
Yes, fun
Yeah.
edges, all kinds of fun stuff you can
Fun
do.
edges. Okay, well,
Happy New
thank you.
Year.
Happy New Year. Happy visionary.
Yeah.
Yeah.